America's healthcare system fails to equally serve people of color, especially if they are impoverished. People of color in search of housing are still systematically steered towards neighborhoods having a greater number of minorities, lower home values, lower median incomes, less access to resources, and less adequate health care. Data supports the disproportionately high morbidity rates among minorities, even when treated for the same ailments in the same hospitals. When presented with this issue by Dr. Kumuvor and Ms. Paige Holden, we thought of ways to tackle this racial discrepancy which seems to be omnipresent in all of our healthcare institutions. We began to think of ways to connect marginalized people to the healthcare resources they need. Current solutions such as Google overwhelm users with results that are corrupted by SEO optimization schemes and paid placement on the first page of search results. State websites are based on poorly designed legacy systems which fail to efficiently diffuse health resource information and make healthcare procurement difficult and inefficient. There is a niche demand for connecting people to healthcare resources while avoiding information overload and poor user interfaces. Our response manifested itself as Find Better. Our goal is to help marginalized people find better healthcare resources tailored to their specific demographic.
Find Better is a one-stop solution for low-income populations to more quickly, efficiently, and accurately discover and find unique social resources specific to their personal needs. With Find Better, by inputting some quick information about yourself and family, our unique algorithm is able to recommend and score resources in your area. The process is simple. Users enter the site through the main link, where they take the survey that very quickly collects core demographic information, with the process, experience, and design focused towards a straightforward and pleasurable approach. These inputs allow the algorithm to filter and identify resources that meet their unique needs and pre-vet qualifications to access these resources. Users are then able to see their match score, explore the different services, find contact information, and find other resources similar to their search. Additionally, for quickly finding specific resources within their area, users can use the Quick Find function, which allows users to select specific filters based on singular service or demographic tags as well. For partner organizations, we've built an easy sign-up form so that in minutes they can further their digital presence and raise awareness of services to a local or larger community user audience. On top of this, organizations received a customized Find Better profile with built-in SEO and design features, allowing them to always stay up to date with the latest UX/UI and achieve better search results on third-party search engines like Google.
Mary is a single mother to a 12-year-old daughter living in Hartford. She works 15-hour days to try to make ends meet, but often seeks outside assistance. While searching, it takes her a long time to filter through the results provided by Google to find exactly what she needs and qualifies for. For example, Mary's daughter is sick, and in the past, Mary has gone to the ER because she knows she definitely has access to care there. Like many others, Mary is unaware of resources other than the emergency room for accessible healthcare and is unable to find another solution on the internet. Google returns a list of financial assistance programs through hospitals or resources for health insurance, which does not give Mary the immediate help she needs. With Find Better, Mary is quickly directed to a number of free or income-based public clinics she can take her daughter to. To implement Find Better, we can integrate it into existing websites like town or state websites, either as a plugin or as a search bar that directly accesses Find Better's matching algorithm and database of resources. Most people in need check town or state websites first, so having Find Better accessible on those sites gives the user even easier access to it without having to know about Find Better beforehand. This would require organizational onboarding to implement Find Better onto these community pages. Interested organizations can further be incentivized to list their resources on Find Better to create a well-rounded database with numerous different resources that might not normally appear in a Google search. These organizations can also recommend Find Better to the community, which would help develop a user base.
Thank you for taking the time to learn a little more about Find Better. You can find us at findbetter.herokuapp.com, and please reach out to findbetter@yukon.edu to inquire about how you can help your community find better.